Now we're going to look for something heavy. As you can see, our tarp's going to move. Look for anything, any downed limb, anything that has weight to it. This big stick right here is perfect. Try and get that tight. Get two more. Remember, we're just trying to get out of the wind. This ideally is not going to be, hopefully, for overnight. It could turn into it though. Take these on your rope, lay them down, get more. Take these sticks, cross them, weight down the front of your tarp, get weight on it. If you can find something heavier, do it. Look around you, you might find a log, you may have to work for it. But as much weight as you can put back here, the better off you'll be. You can also kick snow up onto your tarp. It'll help weight it down. Snow is very heavy. If you need to kick more snow on that, go ahead. You've got your lines tied off. Now, that's nice and small. It's going to be tight under there. That's what you want. But as you can see with the wind blowing, with that weight on there, it's not moving.